The role you spent 5 years building was automated in a software update. Why deep work is the only real defense against automation. By 2026, automation has not replaced human workers. It has replaced shallow human workers, the ones doing work that requires no real thinking. The people still irreplaceable share exactly one trait. They can think deeply for long periods on hard problems. Subscribe to Technology Upside because the automation conversation is missing the most important variable, and it is one you can develop starting today. AI in 2026 is extremely good at tasks with defined parameters: pattern recognition, repetition, synthesis of existing information. What it cannot replicate yet is original judgment under novel conditions. The cognitive work that requires holding complexity, resisting easy answers, and sitting in uncertainty long enough to find a real one. Deep work is not about working more hours. It is about producing output that requires genuine cognitive investment. The kind of thinking that leaves a mark on a problem. Every hour of real deep work compounds. It builds a track record of judgment that no AI can claim as its own. That is your competitive position in 2026. The competitive case for deep work is clear, but there is a psychological cost to doing it consistently that most people underestimate. A form of mental resistance that gets stronger the better you get. And if you do not know it is coming, it will end your streak at the worst possible moment. That is what the next video is about.